It's got a small puff sleeve and a sweetheart neck for the front and back. The back is entirely tie-up, so it will look totally glamorous. And look at the back. This has also got an asymmetric backline. It's sort of got a pot neck back and a sweetheart in the front. It's a polka dot design Banarsi blouse. The pink has got again a mild puff. It's a princess cut. It's got a high back, a pencil neck, and a stylish puff sleeve. So if you want a neutral blouse which you can pair with many sarees which is still grand, this is a perfect choice. This is a Banarsi Georgette blouse. It's a crushed Georgette. This of course is a simple sleeveless Banarsi silk blouse with a V-neck. We have a stunning collection of Banarsi cotton blouses. The Banarasi fabric and the Banarasi weave is known for its total versatility. Banarasi sarees are woven in a variety of materials, silks, cottons, silk cottons, chinia, kora, and of course, in addition to sarees, the fabric itself is used for dresses, salwar suits, kurtis, and more. Hello, Avishya fans and handloom saree lovers. Today at Avishya, I'm extremely happy to introduce to you our lovely collection of Banarasi blouses. These blouses are grand, can be paired with your silk sarees, or you can pair them with your cotton sarees to give the workwear cotton saree a grand party wear look. Let's go straight and see the blouses. The Avishya blouses come in a variety of sizes, starting from size 34 to size 42. The first blouse I'm going to show you is a lovely coffee brown Banarsi chinia silk blouse. It's got a small puff sleeve and a sweetheart neck for the front and back. The next one is a Katan silk blouse. This is a stylish one. It's a parrot blouse with a princess cut, and the back is entirely tie-up, so it will look totally glamorous. The next one again is a lovely blouse. It's a orange and pink short color. It's got beautiful genda booties and a fancy back which is like an asymmetric backline. This is also a Banarsi Katan silk blouse. And look at the back. This has also got an asymmetric backline. Very stylish. If you're looking for something a little less risk, this is a more modest blouse. It's got a scallop v-neck on the front and back. This, of course, is a bright and folksy blouse. It's a beautiful green with checked pattern across, and it's sort of got a pot neck back and a sweetheart in the front. This is a beautiful red. It's a classic bridal red blouse. It's a princess cut blouse, the high back and a V-neck. It's a polka dot design Banarsi blouse with a boat neck front and a diamond slit in the back. This is one more. It's a beautiful pink. The pink has got again a mild puff. It's a princess cut. It's got a high back and a V-neck. We have the same design in another bright yellow with a floral booty. Some more chinia silk blouses here. These two are collar neck patterns. One is a violet, the other is a beautiful green. They have a slit behind, an oval slit behind. In fact, this design we have one more which is also a lovely magenta. This will go with lots of your sarees. Imagine wearing this with either a gold color tissue saree, a Maheshwari, or even a grey cotton saree. It'll just give a lovely pop of color to the cotton saree and make it look bright. Or for example, if you're wearing the cotton saree with a black blouse during the day, you can just change the blouse and convert it to an occasion wear saree in the evening. This is a very stylish blouse. It's got a beautiful puff sleeve. This is a beautiful Banarsi blouse with the polka dot design. It's got a high back, a pencil neck, and a stylish puff sleeve. Here we have one more, a beautiful orange with a blockade design, and she's got a boat neck and a round slit. There's one more very classic Banarsi Katan silk. This blouse can work with multiple sarees. It can work with a beige, it can work with a silver, it can work with a gold, it can work with a dark green, any color. It's almost a neutral blouse. So if you want a neutral blouse which you can pair with many sarees which is still grand, this is a perfect choice. So this got booties in both silver and gold. This is one more beige. This is also chinia silk with a collar neck design and a slip back. Then I want to show you a couple of more Katan silk. This is a bright blue with a diamond pattern. This again is a very stylish blouse. It's a white Banarsi silk with beautiful floral booties. And look at the back. It's got a stylish, open pattern on the back. We have some more blouses. This is a beautiful golden color Banarsi blouse with floral pattern across. This one is a special one. This is a new fabric which we are trying, and based on the response, we'll add some more. This is a Banarsi Georgette blouse. It's a crushed Georgette, and so it's got a lovely shimmer, and the drape or the feel of the blouse also, because the fabric is Georgette, will be very figure hugging and look very good. Next, there's some more Banarsi silks. This is a beautiful, actually it's a traditional Kanjivaram color like Arakka on a Banarsi. Looks very stylish with a green border. This of course is a simple sleeveless Banarsi silk blouse with a V-neck. In addition to silk, we also have Banarsi cotton. So if you like the Banarsi look and you don't want to go for silk, We have a stunning collection of Banarsi cotton blouses, a beautiful pink, pretty pastel orange, a lovely blue. This is a beautiful blue. I think we have a couple of more colors in this range. Let me show them to you. We have a beautiful green, a delicate pastel yellow, and then last we have a lovely sort of a yellowish green blouse. This is also Banarsi cotton. What I'm showing you is not the entire collection. If you're living in Chennai, you can check out these blouses and the entire collection in our Visha store at Alvarpet. We are open at 281 TTK Road and we work on all 7 days, 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. If you're living outside Chennai, anywhere in India or across the world, just visit our website avisha.com and check out these blouse collections on our website. You search for Banarsi blouses and the entire collection will come online. Our customer service team will be happy to help you with sizing, with colors or any other request you have. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please press the bell button for notifications so you don't miss out any new video from Avisha. Thank you for watching and we'll come back with a new video soon.
For another bit of news for you, that we have also launched our app. So those of you who want to get a constant notifications on our uploads, please download the Avisha app. It's available on the Play Store and the Apple Store. Please download the app and you can be sure that all our updates come to you. Thank you.